Washington State. And we just got that TV, and I'll show you my phone right now. Where the frick is my phone? Damn it. Okay, so my phone is right here, and then you can see. So let me just.
And that's why we invited our next guest. Know yourself, know your money. As I said before the break, she's another Rachel. This is Rachel Cruz's book.
As you can see,
I like this because it's a kind of a 360 view.
So yeah, this came in about 10 minutes ago, so they should be broadcasting a little shortly here.
But I'll let her speak about it. Rachel, explain to everyone, welcome by the way. Hi, Rach.
So yeah, turn on the light.
Yes, well, thanks for having me on, Rachel.
Yeah, this is a
personality is shaped in many ways.
Yes, by the way, guys, so this is the new TV, so this is a Samsung Smart TV.
Shapes a lot of why you handle money the way you do
for this EAS so it comes in.
Money tendencies. So think, are you a spender or are you
a
saver?
It's actually pretty nice.
Money on experiences or things. All of this shapes our money personality.
Coming in. Incoming.
In Yakima City, Washington. The Yakima Police Department is looking for a child who was last seen at Yakima City, Washington, and is believed to be in danger. The child is Angelus revealed to
Just gonna keep the volume down here.
She is a 15-year-old Hispanic.
So this is the insignia CRT.
I feature this in 5 feet 5 inches tall, weighing 125 pounds. She was last seen wearing a sweatshirt and torn jeans. Authorities say that the child may be in the company of Daniel Obent. He is a 36-year-old Hispanic, male with brown hair and brown eyes. He is believed to be 5 feet 6 inches tall, weighing 120 pounds. With the Arizona license plate number BYR6257. Suspect has a felony warrant and is considered armed and dangerous. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Yakima Police Department at 5-0-94-5-70-2-0-7 or dial 911 immediately.
Alright. Okay, so yeah. What? EAS season 4 begun. Oh my god, I can't believe it's actually been 4 seasons since I uploaded my first EAS. Anyway, I think I might need to tune the channel real quick. Or maybe just turn it off altogether.
And a lot of injuries.
So yeah.
Yeah.
So that was KHQ that relayed, so. So yeah, this. Just need to. So yeah, this TV is really abundant, to be honest. Or smart, should I say. So yeah, as you can see.
What do you guys think of it? I think Bobby had a hard pill to swallow on that last one.
Yeah, I definitely did.
That's wonderful, Mom. But how did you pass your medical exam with your health condition? Well, that's the best part. No medical.
I just tuned in and this appeared.
People like your mom can get coverage right over the phone.
That's right. And my rates will never increase, my benefits will not decrease, and my coverage will never be canceled.
Mom, I'm so glad you called.
Don't leave your loved ones with your debt. Call the number on your screen now and see how final expense coverage
Okay, what exactly happened here?
information about a free prescription discount card.
Hang on, I gotta take a screenshot of that.
46. That's 800-990-1546. Don't leave your loved ones with your debt.
The entire message is filling the.
Final expense coverage can help you. The average cost of a funeral has gone up and is now over $8,000.
Alright. Okay, so I just tuned in, so...
Armed and dangerous. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Yakima Police Department at 5-0-94-5-70-2-0-7 or dial 911 immediately.
There we go.